Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best transparent Legos is probably one of the most fascinating and visually striking building block sets available, offering a unique perspective on construction and display. These special bricks, crafted from clear, high-quality plastic, allow light to pass through them, creating stunning visual effects and opening up a world of creative possibilities for builders of all ages. Whether you're looking to build intricate models that play with light and shadow, design captivating display pieces, or simply add a touch of modern elegance to your Lego creations, these transparent bricks provide an unparalleled aesthetic that standard opaque bricks simply cannot match. Get ready to see your builds in a whole new light. Number 5. Lego Classic Creative Space Planets Building Set 11037. Embark on an exciting journey of creative exploration with this versatile building set. It's designed to spark imagination for builders of all ages. Construct your own solar system, complete with planets like Mars and Earth, and even a rocket ship. You can also create fun characters like aliens and astronauts. Make your creations truly unique with special pieces, including fun eye elements and glow-in-the-dark bricks. Let your imagination run wild. This set offers endless reconfigurable fun with a guide featuring 10 building suggestions. You can even build a full 8-planet solar system. Looking for a birthday or holiday gift? This space-themed set is ideal for kids who love planets, rockets, astronauts, and aliens. These bricks not only provide hours of fun but also help develop essential skills. Open-ended play and creative self-expression are at your fingertips. What we like. This set is perfect for aspiring astronauts and space enthusiasts. If you love building rockets, aliens, and planets, this is the set for you. Its glow-in-the-dark elements add an extra layer of wonder to nighttime play. What people say. The transparent bricks are a fantastic addition to any Lego collection, allowing for creative building possibilities. These clear Lego pieces are perfect for creating stunning light effects in models or for building transparent structures. The quality of the transparent Lego bricks is excellent, with no visible imperfections and a great clarity. Number 4. Strictly Briks Stackable Clear Baseplates. Dive into a universe of creativity with our stackable clear baseplates. They are compatible with Lego, opening up endless possibilities for builders of all ages. Construct massive towers or quaint villages with these transparent baseplate blocks. Their clear, stackable versatility makes every project a masterpiece. Move your creations without worry thanks to their durability. They are perfect for showcasing minifigures or action figures, elevating your toy display in style. Keep the playroom tidy while sparking imagination with these clear classic baseplates. Create exciting play zones for toy cars or stacker toys and watch the fun unfold. Explore creative designs with 4 clear baseplates and 30 stackers in this exciting toy set. It's a treasure trove for any budding architect. These are designed to expand your builds vertically. Stack them up to create impressive towers and unique structures. What we like. If you're looking to elevate your display game, these clear stackable baseplates are a fantastic choice. They allow your creations to stand out, making them ideal for showcasing minifigures or intricate builds without distraction. What people say. The transparent bricks are a fantastic addition to any Lego collection, allowing for creative building possibilities. These clear Lego pieces are perfect for creating stunning light effects and transparent structures. The quality of the transparent Lego bricks is excellent, with no visible imperfections or discoloration. Number 3. Strictly Briks Translucent Brick Set, 156 pack. Dive into a world of vibrant translucent building bricks. These see-through toys are perfect for anyone who loves to build and explore, compatible with major brands. Spark creativity in kids aged 3 and up with this awesome building toy set. With 156 pieces and diverse shapes, they can construct anything their minds imagine. Made from long-lasting plastic, these transparent building bricks are built to withstand hours of play. They promise durability and sturdiness for any creation. This creative building toy offers endless possibilities for fun and learning. It's perfect for playtime or classroom activities, encouraging kids to dream big. Let kids explore their inner architects with these versatile see-through building blocks. They provide the tools to experiment, grow, and learn while having a blast. What we like. For those who enjoy vibrant and imaginative construction, this translucent brick set offers endless possibilities. If you like building colorful structures that play with light, this is a great option to explore. What people say. The transparent bricks are a fantastic addition to any LEGO collection, allowing for creative building possibilities. These clear LEGO pieces are perfect for creating stunning light effects in models, like windows or water features. The quality of the transparent LEGO bricks is excellent, with no visible scratches or imperfections. Number 2. Strictly Briks Translucent Building Brick Starter Kit. This set includes 1008 pieces in a variety of clear colors. It eliminates the hassle of searching for the right size and color bricks for your projects, providing ample materials for endless creative fun. Empower your imagination by establishing a vibrant brick studio at home or in the classroom. Construct and design innovative projects with our diverse assortment of bricks, inspiring creativity in artists, educators, and curious minds. Designed for ages 3 to 14, this kit offers a platform for children to explore their creativity and enhance hand-eye coordination. They can build unique masterpieces, fostering confidence and imaginative thinking through play. Crafted from high-quality materials, these bricks are designed to withstand regular play without bending or collapsing. Confidently move your creations wherever you wish to showcase them. We offer a diverse range of building sets that encourage imaginative play for years to come. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, our money-back guarantee ensures you can buy with confidence. What we like. This massive kit is designed for the dedicated builder who wants a vast supply of clear bricks. If you're aiming to create a personal brick studio or tackle large-scale projects, this set provides the sheer volume needed. What people say. The transparent bricks are a fantastic addition to any LEGO collection, allowing for creative building possibilities. These clear LEGO pieces are perfect for building structures that require a glass-like effect, such as aquariums or futuristic buildings. The quality of the transparent LEGO bricks is excellent, with no visible scratches or imperfections. Number 1. LEGO Classic Creative Food Friends 11039. Introducing the LEGO Classic Creative Food Friends set, a fun and imaginative building toy designed for kids aged 4 and up. It's perfect for sparking creativity and endless pretend play adventures. This set comes with a vibrant assortment of colorful bricks and special elements like eyes and mouths. Kids can build a variety of delicious-looking food items and then rebuild them into new, exciting creations. Start by building a cupcake, ice cream, avocado, and taco. Then, easily transform them into a cake, bubble tea, pear, and panini. The possibilities for imaginative play are truly unlimited. A simple, step-by-step guide is included to help children develop their building skills with confidence. It makes construction easy and enjoyable for young builders. Looking for a birthday or holiday gift? This versatile set is ideal for any boy or girl aged 4 and up who loves food and fun characters. It's a gift that encourages creativity and play. More than just a toy, these bricks help develop essential skills. It's a wonderful opportunity for parents to share building fun and celebrate developmental milestones with their children. What we like. This set is ideal for younger children who love imaginative role-playing in food. If you're looking for a fun, quick-build toy that encourages pretend play with edible-themed creations, this is a delightful choice. What people say. The transparent bricks are a fantastic addition to any LEGO collection, allowing for creative building possibilities. These clear LEGO pieces are perfect for creating stunning light effects and transparent structures. The quality of the transparent LEGO bricks is excellent, with no visible imperfections or discoloration. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.